Gotta rock the party with no time to lose. Life looking bad, but I'm trying to prove I got a guy that loves me, and he's making me alright. Made to win, no time to lose, and I feel like busting loose. Come on, baby.
This is our frozen yogurt party. So this is an event we're doing to basically let people know who we are and the kind of thing our brand is about. As you can see, we've got a bunch of cool people here just enjoying themselves, and that kind of fits with what we do as a brand.
What I'm talking about, Jamali was looking down, but you got to say that I am looking good now. I'm all about this life I'm walking out, Jamali. When I was a young lady, she asked me how she was looking, I opened that door for her and told her. In my Barry White voice.
It's really good. There's a nice group of people and we're really enjoying ourselves.
Are you enjoying the frozen yogurt?
Yeah, it's really good. I've gone for Nutella and coffee because I'm a bit of a caffeine addict.
G-double-O-D is pouring, but we're soaring and we're going so far. I got a love that's real and it's keeping me so we can party hard. I'm tweeting Marty Marr for the moves and the turns. What you think?
Really good cocktail.
It's so beautiful. I don't actually want to eat it.
Like in the dark place, what you think the glove for? Wolfpack crazy, baby girl, we loco. We follow the oneness, we lead. Excuse me, miss, is you hearing this? I know them nails ain't dry, she still clap for this. Hair just got dipped, she sweated out for this. Feels kinda tight, she still tap for this. Smile ain't for nothing, I ain't supposed to be here. My past kinda cloudy, it ain't supposed to be clear. Hold up, let me breathe that in. Got me feeling like my feet with the kicks on there.
We are my medal, and I sort of thank everyone for coming down.